Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. I'm Mohammed Shakil, your Oracle Utilities Application Framework Assistant. In the previous session, we successfully created the Oracle Database 19C instance and verified remote database connectivity. With the database environment now fully operational, we are ready to move on to the next critical step, that is updating Oracle Database 19C parameter max string size from standard to extended. This change enables support for larger string sizes and is often a prerequisite for applications that require extended varchar2, nvarchar2, and raw data types. Starting with OUF version 44023 and later, this configuration is a mandatory requirement. You can verify this requirement by referring to the DBA guide for your specific OUF application release. Please note, without this setting, errors may occur during Oracle Utilities Application Framework schema upgrades. I have structured this session into two main tasks. First, updating max string size to extended. Second, verifying the change on both the container and the pluggable database. To begin, we'll first check the current value of max string size. If the parameter is currently set to standard, we'll update to extended. Since this change requires the database to run in upgrade mode, we will perform a controlled database restart to ensure update is applied safely. Next, we'll navigate to the Oracle administrative script directory and run the UTL32K script using the catcon.tl utility. After execution, we'll review the logs in temp to ensure there are no errors or warnings. Once everything looks correct, we will restart the database normally and verify that the change has been applied successfully for both the CDB and the PDB. Finally, we'll confirm remote connectivity from client using SQL Developer. We will test the connection to our container and the pluggable database we created earlier. If both connections succeed, the max string size change is fully applied and your Oracle database is now ready for the OUF operations. As with the previous sessions, this walkthrough is a practical visual guide, so you can simply follow along on screen and proceed at your own pace. For your reference, I will also share all the commands in the video description so you can follow along easily. And as always, please ensure that each command is executed under the appropriate SSH user session as highlighted on the slides. That brings us to the end of this session. The next session is going to be an especially exciting one in our OEF installation journey. Uh, I am keeping the topic a surprise to keep your interest alive. So make sure you don't miss it as it covers a critical step for setting up your OEF environment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session.